Hi everybody. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to convert currency in PayPal. To convert currency on PayPal, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to go to the Wallets tab from the home page, tap on the menu bar, click on Your Wallet section. After which, select the currency you want to convert. The interface will look quite different as I have not verified my account, so you just need to make sure to select the options as I mentioned. So then what you need is go to currency you want to convert from and click the convert currency option next to that currency. Then you have to enter the amount you wish to convert. Choose a target currency, that is, you want to convert to from the available options. Then you need to review the display conversion rate and any applicable fees as well. And click on the next and then convert now to finalize the transaction. And this way you'll be able to convert currency on PayPal. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.